Okay, in my goal to make short videos for parents, I'm going to talk really, really fast and I'm apologizing in advance. But you can slow me down if you would like. I'm trying to keep this video under 2 minutes. Let's see if I can do it. So, last week when we did the novel units binder, maybe 2 weeks ago, I made a video because a lot of you are doing such an awesome job trying to make sure your kid has everything completed on time and turned in that there was so many parts to it though that a lot of you, I made a video so that you could check your child's work and you would know what you were looking for. A lot of you said that was a great thing. So this is another one of those videos. I am going to be grading this weekend Notes on Mesopotamia. And the Notes on Mesopotamia, I'm giving you my notes that we did in class together. Some of them I had to do extra because there were little parts that they did independently. But this is all of the information that they should have. I'm sharing it with you because I know some of you guys are amazing. My parents are absolutely fantastic. And you guys are really checking to make sure that they have everything done and turned in on time so that they can be successful during this time and learn their own sense of independence. So I'm giving you the teacher's edition. Here we go. Ancient civilizations. The way we're studying those, just FYI, is with an acronym GRAPES because teachers love acronyms. The G stands for geography. R is religion. A is achievement. P is politics, E is economy, and S is social life. I promise I don't talk this fast in class most of the time. But I'm talking really fast because you can slow me down and you can pause me whenever you want, okay? I'm just trying to get through it really, really quickly. So our notes are separated into geography, religion, achievement, politics, economy, and social life. And that's what these pages are. And so here is, starting on the wrong place. Let's start at the top. Here's geography. This is all the same. All of us should have this. They should have their name here and a date. This is going to be blank. We're doing that when we come back. And then this is the part they filled out. On every slide has the same format. So, I hit 2 minutes. Sorry. Okay, we got geography, religion, achievements. Pause this at any time. Politics. Politics didn't want to come up. Economy and social life. So now you have the teacher's edition. These are all the answers. I'm going to go through it one more time so you can pause it one more time if you need to. Geography, religion, achievements, politics, economy, and social life. I hope this helps. I'm grading this weekend. I hope you guys have a fantastic Thanksgiving break. And I'll see you guys later. If you have any questions, always please reach out. Thanks.